Hey guys, look what I found at the thrift shop. Glass flowers, 2 for 99 cents. I think I have to get them, right? So 2 for 99 cents. Of course, I had to get 2. So let's unbox these gorgeous flowers. Oh, look, it comes with little cards. Isn't that nice? And it's a little bit breaking, but that's okay. This, guys, it turns out is actually perfume. So these are perfume bottles, and let's go have a smell test, shall we? So let's start with the adorable pink rose here. And you can see the packaging, it says sweet smelling all around it. Let's follow the instructions though, because I don't want to break these because they appear to be quite old. All right. Okay. There we have the lovely little cap. Whoops, and the stem just broke, so I guess I better be even more careful. I actually think I need pliers to get this open, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I did need pliers to get that off, and there's no smell at all to this. No smell. It is pink dyed, though. Yeah, there's absolutely no smell to this. Let's try the heart. And now the red one, open. This one actually has a kind of woody, musty, dusty odor. So I don't know. I think I prefer the one with no smell at all. So I guess the best I can do is put them in a vase or, you know, a cleaned out soda bottle and use them as decor.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.